I'm a video journalist, which is not a sexual disease. It is the idea that one person has a camera like this, and they go out into the field, they shoot a story, they edit a story, and they upload that story. I've been doing it since 1994, so the arguments we're having here, to me, aren't exactly new. How are you finding it?
How?
Yes, how is it?
So, the president commanded me to come here to study.
Okay, he's been told to come here. Oh dear, sorry. Okay. But the point is, ladies and gentlemen, that is an interview. That was not me placing him behind the light, in front of the light. That was the interview in situ, and that will go on screen probably by the end of this evening. Here's another one of my little toys, which I'll give to my good friend here from Kai, who I know. And I'm going to say to him, be careful, because that is my wireless mic. And it has a very good range, so anything you say now, if I leave that with you for the next hour or so, I will pick up on this microphone. So once again, for £500, not bad going. All right, let's just race through here. Actually check the trainers behind the program, because there's a big difference between TV and video journalism. We won't be able to talk about the semantics here, but there is a big visual language difference. Okay? And when sometimes you go on the site, you see these wonderful comments from people saying, I really enjoyed this course, it was wonderful. Those are very easy to get. If there are 100 people there and 99 don't like you, if one likes you, don't go on the screen. So that's not the prerequisite.
If I ask you a question, what do you find is the biggest challenge when you're training journalists to work the way you do?
The biggest challenge, I think, is the kind of paradigm of thinking visually. That the pictures drive the story,